good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on the 12th of March. I'm Pat McClatchy for our afternoon update of the Ag Market Network. And very different day today for agricultural markets. Everything was up. Grains were down earlier. Cotton was down earlier, but we seemed to build and strengthen throughout the day. Now, we're hearing a couple of different things. Could all be rumor. Continued optimism about an upcoming trade agreement, although nothing specifically came out today. But there's something else, and that is everybody knows there's a very large speculative short position that's being held by commodity funds, and there is some nervousness we're hearing from them and some lightening up of those short positions. I don't know if that's true or not. That's just some of the talk. And with that, some buying back of short positions, which are starting to firm this market up. Now, whether there are rumors out there about an upcoming trade agreement or not, I don't know that. It's possible. But this is at least a positive development in terms of price action. I want to remind people, if you are a cotton producer, December cotton today is closing around 74.25. It got as high as 74.47. A move towards 76 and higher is an area you should be looking very hard at starting to do some pricing of next year's crop, the 2019 crop, because that market, if it sticks its head up enough, is going to be an opportunity to do some hedging. So we'll keep you posted on that. Let's just go through here. May cotton up 164, 74.84, a high of 75. Low of 73.10. This is probably the highest close that we've seen. Let's see. Yes, this is the highest close we've seen, it looks like, in May cotton, and I know it was true of July, in a month. So that's significant. We've been this high before on a few occasions, but we've never been able to stay up here. That's positive. May soybeans up 7 at 8.93. At one point this morning, they were 10 cents lower than this, at 8.87 3/4. The high was 8.99 3/4. May corn up 4. May corn at 3.66, a high of 3.67.5, a low of 3.61. And here's the big market, and that's May wheat, up 24.5 at 4.52 3/4. At one time this morning, it was trading at 4.27, and it managed to rally, and then later in the day, it reached a high of 4.57. So a lot of action here in agricultural markets. Keep an eye on that. Outside markets, nothing that unusual. Crude oil up 11 cents a barrel, dollar down 24, gold up $8 an ounce, silver's up 16 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now is down 51. So we'll take a look at this. Join us first thing in the morning. We'll see if we're getting some follow through tomorrow or if some new news starts to leak out that could be very constructive for agricultural prices. Have a good evening.